Hello everybody, welcome back once again to PC Master Class, Chapter 4, Part 8. And today we're going to focus on PC cases, the foundation of your build, and structure, airflow, and aesthetics. So let's get started. A PC case is more than just a box. It determines airflow, cable management, and component compatibility, making it a crucial part of any build. Choosing the right case depends on the form factor, cooling solution potential, and personal preference. So let's break it all down. First, let's talk about this case size. There are three main categories: full tower, mid tower, and mini tower. Full tower cases provide maximum space for high-end builds, while mid tower cases are most common, balancing size and functionality. Mini towers cases are compact but may limit cooling and expansion options. Airflow optimization is another key factor. Cases with mesh front panels allow better intake, while solid front panels may restrict airflow. Fan placement matters too. Intake fans pull cool air in, while exhaust fans pull hot air out. A balanced airflow setup ensures consistent cooling, preventing heat buildup. Cable management plays a huge role in clean aesthetics and airflow efficiencies. Cases with dedicated cable routing channels and power supply shrouds help keep wiring organized and out of sight. Modular cases allow for customization layouts, making it easier to achieve a clean, professional look. When choosing a case, components compatibility is crucial. GPU clearance, CPU cooler height, and radiator support must match your hardware. Before purchasing, always check the case specifications to ensure a proper fit. Here's another side note for you guys. Before moving forward, take a moment to compare case sizes, check your cooling potential, and plan your cable management strategy based upon your build. If you're considering a compact case, ensure it has proper airflow and expansion options for future upgrades. And guys, don't forget to hit the like button. It always helps out the channel. And thank you for being a loyal member and a part of the family. So until the next time, in the next video, we'll see you guys on the next one.